Alright, what's good, YouTube? Hold on. Good, YouTube. I know I ain't been talking to y'all. I know y'all got the clips or whatever, but in the beginning. But yeah, man, I put some new wheels on the cat, man. Sold the 5 spokes, got rid of those and got some new ones, man. Before I, you know what I'm saying, before I show y'all what it looked like, cause it's fire. I did paint my Brembos too, and I ceramic coated the wheels. But before I show you all of that, man, make sure y'all liking, comment, subscribing, man. Make sure y'all watching them ads, man. Man, I don't know, just share it, share it. I don't care what you do. Share it, like, comment, subscribe. I don't care what else you do. You can comment some BS if you want to. I don't even care. Just make sure, you know what I'm saying, supporting the kid, because, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to grind for y'all 30 days straight right now, but I'm gonna keep trying to do this 30 days straight stuff. But enough of this talking, man. Let me show y'all the car. So yeah. Wheels, how y'all liking the wheels? Put it down in the comment. Y'all think it look like trash? Put it down in the comments. If you think it's fire, put it down in the comments. Yes, it's a wide body setup too. I'm getting ready for that. You already know that wide body kit. Look how got the wheels stuck out a little bit, and I still gotta get the spacers, and I gotta get the wide body flares, and you know what I'm saying, I'm putting that kit up there. But you know what I'm saying, I already got the wheels ahead because I ain't want to buy no rims, y'all, no other rims, and have to sell those just to get some wide body rims, because I am about to wide body it. So yeah, this thing gonna look crazy, man. I'm try to have it everything paint match wide body with the wide body flares or whatever. Look how it look. And I still gotta put my boiler attack exhaust on. How y'all liking it though? How the back of that thing looking, y'all. These are 11s all the way around. 20 by 11s. At the 50th anniversary. About to go orange and stuff. I'ma probably put a big orange cat on the side, probably red out hood. I'm also red out hood, big cat on the side, and I might do orange stripes too. But when I put the big cat on the side, I'm gonna have an orange big cat. Feel me? But how is it looking, y'all? Y'all liking that? I might even, you know how I got them green snorkels inside of those that I bought? Let me show y'all. Might even buy some orange those too. Green and orange is about to be the colors, man. I was doing green on green, but I like this orange, so I'm gonna go with orange. The 50th anniversary is poking, man. Definitely gotta hurry up and get the wide body kit and get this cut off, cause if not, my tire's gonna get warped. But I know it's kind of scraping on just a little bit. You see how it look? Cause I lowered it. If I didn't lower it, I wouldn't have to worry about nothing. But because I lowered it, bro, this thing bouncing right on the tire a little bit. So, yeah, man, I'ma have to freaking get that figured out. I might roll the fenders for now if I can't find a wide body kit. Cause I don't know if I want to go with Bangerss yet. I don't know if I want to go with Bangerss kits yet, cause some of them don't look good to me for real. But I don't know yet. I might go with them. I might end up going with them if I can't find no OEM wide body kit. Cause I ain't going to Dodge neither. Dodge is 6,000. I'm trying to find one on Facebook Market. You feel me? Balling on the budget. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Hold on. Yeah, man. So I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna get some footage of driving with the wheels too. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? I finally got my tire sensor light off, so y'all ain't gotta say nothing else about that, man. Cause I know y'all be down in the comments hating sometimes. You hear me? Ain't no lights on in the ass, so chill out, little fam. Got it in sport mode. But this thing drives smooth. Roll the window down a little bit so y'all gotta. Everybody named Granny wanna. Oh, that is a granny. My bad, Gwen. Oh, gee. As long as I don't drive too wild, like ODing around corners for right now, my tires don't scrape, and hitting OD, going fast around like over bumps and shit. Not like speed bumps, but like rough roads. That's the only time my car really the tires scrape against the fenders. If I feel like if I roll it just a little bit for now, I should be good. Oh, niggas flying. Don't total me, gang. I ain't gonna lie, this thing hook and book, y'all. This thing hook and book with that freaking. I got the Mickeys on the back, and I got some Toyo Proxy. I can't remember what they are. Toyo Proxies on the front. Man, them Mickeys is gripping. Let me put it in wide angle. Put the drawers off. You don't got wait, rubber drawers on, man. 50th anniversary. It's our anniversary. I'm talking about it. Oh, damn, bro. Try to whip up the plastic off the C-clip. It ain't coming out too good. Milo, what you got to say about my new rims, big dog? Huh? Liking them, buddy? Alright. He liking the new rims. Bro, don't lick me, dude. Don't lick me, dude. Bro. Hey. Come on, bro. It's a car channel, not a dog channel, bro. Move out. Trying to get your camera shine. Alright, y'all. Here go the new rims, too, man. I got some reps. Just because I won't pay no $1,500 a rim for these actual 50th anniversaries, which they only like $800 a rim, but still I won't pay in that right now. I got other stuff in the works. But yeah, I got my Boiler Tech exhaust right there. I got the tires that I'm putting on these rims. They dang near like new. Just to let y'all, I'm gonna let y'all see them. Good tread. Good tread. You feel me? Good boiler attack. I ain't put that on the car yet. It's coming soon. Gotta get my wheels back on the car first. Hey, bro. Watch out, big dog. But y'all, I'm about to ceramic coat. I'm about to ceramic coat the wheels, y'all. Try to see how it's gonna work out. Try to do 2 at a time for now, but I'm gonna get back to y'all when I start prepping everything, getting everything set up. Move. Close. Application pads. Let's get to this process now. What up, Houston? What up, Dallas? 50th anniversary. What you think, gang? We cool? We cool? You scared of boxes, y'all. You know what about to scare you, bro? What's this? Chill. If I go to jail for dog abuse. But yeah, got 2 up here already. That's rubber coated. Alright, y'all, ceramic coats. I'm waiting for it to flash and then I'm gonna buff it off. Not buff it off, but just smooth it out and lightly buff it just to smooth out the coat. And then I'm gonna let it dry for about an hour. I'm gonna get the inside barrel first before I let it dry. Then I'm gonna let the whole rim dry, then I'm gonna do another coat and then I'm gonna be done. 2 heavy coats, we good. All right, y'all, so I'm done. The last coat on the inside and outside the rims, man. I'll turn like that on. Yeah, 2 coats. Ceramic coating, man. So we should be good on that. I just gotta get these wheels put on the wall. These wheels put on the tires over there. Then I'm gonna get the boiler tap put on the next day. Let's get to it. Hopefully this quality don't get messed up, y'all. It ain't dark yet, but y'all already know how this quality starts trying to do me, man. Hey, who hit the horn? Light just turned green, OG. I think if I slam the pedal down to the ground though and that thing squat, it might squat on the wheels. Nervous. I know y'all gonna say down in the comments why get the rims before you get the wide body kit. The same reason you wake up in the morning and you use the bathroom before brushing your teeth, nigga. I tried to make something make sense, that's all. My bad, OG. Get back to you in a second.
Can I tell you a secret?
Sure, man.